Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace the fuel pump on a Ford Fiesta. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid sparks and fuel ignition. Wear gloves and eye protection while you work and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Relieve fuel pressure and drain some fuel into a safe container before loosening lines. Label hoses and take photos to remember positioning for reassembly, and follow torque specs when tightening fittings carefully. Start by locating the access panel under the rear seat or trunk and remove it to expose the pump module. If your Fiesta lacks an access panel, safely lift the rear and support the tank with jack stands while using a jack and straps. Always relieve fuel pressure first and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Keep a magnetic tray for bolts and take clear photos of hose routing to speed reassembly and avoid mistakes. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty are a comfy, durable pick for anyone who spends time in a garage or under a car. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car repair videos. On another note, dry feet feel better after greasy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Disconnect wiring and fuel lines from the module, then remove the retaining ring or bolts and lift the assembly straight out. Replace the pump and filter, ensuring the float and seal are oriented correctly and the O-ring seats fully to prevent leaks. Reconnect lines and wiring, slightly refill the tank, and cycle the key to prime the pump before starting. Inspect for leaks, tighten fasteners to spec, and lower the car carefully again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.